Atavar, hindi po. Avatar 3. 2-block screenings. First show in the Philippines in IMAX 3D, Mall of Asia. Alam niyo siguro yung mga Avatar na to. Ito yung Avatar 3 na by James Cameron. Pero mas mahalaga po, bakit po namin, Don Bosco School of Theology, panabi-nabi ba kami, pa-blue-blue ba kami? Hindi po eh. Ang kailangan po talaga, we need to fund, to sponsor a cause of the planet. Avatar 1 is about ecology, about the planet where they were inhabiting na pinasukan ng mga elements. Pero ang Avatar 2 is now about that family that actually has to take care of their home. Pero dito sa pangatlo, it's about moral choice. Lahat po ng pamilya has to choose. Pero alam niyo, it's beyond the film. We're just using the film because we have a cause. And the cause is save the planet. How do you help us save the planet? Because Don Bosco School of Theology, we have our own theological courses, theology, ecology, technology, that has been going for the past 2.5 years. Alam niyo po mahalaga, people who understand the journey of the importance of why we should help the planet survive for the sake of our young people. Now, by buying the 2,000 peso ticket, you can actually save the ecological system of the planet because you're supporting Don Bosco School of Theology's environmental certified environmental trainers course. Mga kapatid po, napakahalaga po na ang pamilya nyo dalhin nyo rito. It could be your Christmas treat with your family. Pwede rin po with your friends, with your colleagues. Sabi nyo, Father, Wednesday, tanghaling tapat, 11 o'clock. O, baka yung 3 o'clock po. Mahalaga po is that save the time because it's saving the planet. That's the cause. Avatar 3 for the planet. See you there. By the way, meron pala kaming cosplayers. Baka you want to meet them and have, of course, like a good Filipino, 5 cosplayers having a picture with your family. See you there.